So, hello Boulder, Colorado. My name is Erica, and I'm just creating this video to ask you to change a few tools in the SurveyGizmo so that it can make my life much easier. I'm sorry for my voice, but I was yelling too much yesterday, so I kind of can't speak properly. And because I really like you, we're gonna play some theme music in the background. And let's start. So, the first bug comes with a custom group issue. Let's look at it. I've created a testing survey so that I can show you all the things that I keep on having troubles with. So, let's create a new custom group. Okay, I'll just press this. And custom group becomes, I'll just set the question, whatever it is, blah blah blah. I add and edit the question. Yes, I do. And now, the first question I want to create is, let's say, what did I write here? A list of text boxes. So I just add my question, which sometimes is really kind of long, and then I put in row headers, which are sometimes also long, and then I create the question. And now I realized that actually I chose the wrong type of question and I want to change it. So I look here and there is no way for me to change the type of question, which means I have to basically erase it and create a new one, which is really sometimes killing me. So that's the first thing. It's only to save time for the customers, basically. So that is the bug number one. Let's move it away. We have a bug number two of custom group issue. Okay, so again, we'll create a new custom group question. I'm sorry, I'm using my left hand because my right hand is obviously the cast, so it takes me forever to do whatever. Okay, so I've created a question, and this question is planned to be, or to include 10 sub-questions, which all are supposed to be, let's say, text boxes. So I add the question, and I always have to roll up the screen and change it because for some reason the preset is on radio button. So I put the text box. Okay, sorry, I do not. So I type something in, and I add the question, and I have to add another question. I have to roll up again, change it to text box, give it a question, and add the question. And when I have to do this 10 times, it's just killing me. So I would appreciate if you could just somehow put some kind of action button in it saying create text boxes only or something, so that I don't have to really do that thing. I don't know, maybe I'm just too lazy or something. Okay, so that was the bug number two. Moving on to bug number three. Oh, and we're right here, so I don't even have to move. All the questions I create here are primarily line break after, and I don't really want that. It's like, so I have to always do this, and it takes forever, and do this, and it takes forever, and I have to do it at all of them. It's killing me as well, but it's not that bad. Okay, and now we're moving to a serious issue. Oh, sorry. Which is the Arabic translation, and that's the one that put my hand in the cast, actually. So, we'll close this, and because this is a preset thing, I do already have an Arabic version here. So I'll just move into it. Okay. So this is the Arabic version. I'll change my keyboard to Arabic. And I'm typing. And the problem is, it's right to left language, but the words keep on being written from the left, right? So I read something, you see? It's being written from the left. Which wouldn't be a big problem until, because usually, or in my case, I had someone to do the Arabic version for me, so that I would only copy the word. So let's look at it. This was the question I had problem with. It's question number 5. So I just basically took the whole thing. I hate this as well, by the way. Yeah, the left hand is not that useful. Come on. Okay. I take the row. I control copy it. Control C. You move it in here. As a sub question, as a title, as an answer, because it was originally an answer, right? So I put it here, and what it does, because it's written from the opposite side, it would change this particular round bracket to the other one, which is not a problem, but because it's Arabic, you can't really use backspace when you want to. You have to use delete to really move on and then create the new one. Okay, this is a different language, so this is the problem. And it would do to all the brackets and all these things, which means I have to manually redo all the things in it, and I just want to kill myself. So that's another thing. And the last but not the least, because this is completely ridiculous, is the Arabic version that is actually visible for the students or my friends to fill in. It has, when I want to overview this, where is it, save changes. I want to preview the survey, and this bar is also very, because it doesn't move away. This is also very annoying. So I want to preview my survey, and what I see, okay, why did it show me the English version when I wanted the Arabic? No, so let's go look, and I should have set the Arabic as the original. Okay, whatever, I'll just show you on my old one. Oh, okay, not Arabic. Something normal here. Okay, so this is my MBA questionnaire, and in the Arabic version, you see this. Okay, this is not even funny. It's the number written from left to right, and there is a dot, kind of, and after it, and then there's this thing. It's like, to me, or to my Arabic friends, that's actually their problem with the thing, is that they would prefer to have the Arabic letters there, so that it looks kind of systematic or something. So that's basically it. Yeah, so that's basically the whole thing I wanted to tell you. And of course, if none of this is done, I'm not gonna die. It's just gonna take me longer. I want to thank you for so much, because you've been very nice to me. You know, whatever I was asking for, you helped me with, and I would really appreciate whatever you've done. And I want to tell you, have a nice day. And don't get mad at me, because you have to change a few things. Thank you. Bye-bye.